Did you know that there will be more mobile internet users than desktop internet users by 2014? Do you have an idea what your website looks like on a mobile phone? I strongly urge you to check it now. Meet our new client, John. John runs a very successful Italian restaurant in downtown Chicago. Obviously, he's got a business website which does the job really well. But John has just recently realized that his website does not look the same on a mobile phone. He's got a major problem now, since their patrons try to book a table using their mobile phone, but as they later reported, it was a very frustrating process. They had to move the pages left and right, up and down with their fingers in order to read the online menu and then book a table. Entering their email address was also pretty difficult and an awful experience. John first thought that he would simply get rid of a couple of features and his site would work on the mobile web too. But it didn't, and he got really frustrated. Then he called our office, and we explained what Mobiist can do for his business. That put a big smile on his face. At Mobiist, we can build a beautiful, mobile-friendly website by adding all the relevant information of your existing site to your mobile site and more. Your new site gets a nice and clean design and an easy-to-use, mobile-friendly interface that will wow your customers and will result in more bookings and ultimately more sales too. Take a look at what your website looks like on a mobile device now. If you're not satisfied, chances are neither are your customers. Stop losing customers. Contact Mobiist.com today.